Don't show me.
Okay.
Sa other side. The Christmas tree should be behind you.
What? Look at that. Look at that. Cool, huh? I need the charger.
Masarap. Makain ng prutas si ate.
What fruit is this?
Siya pumili niya.
Ba't sa Riyadh di ka nagbabay na?
We didn't even see that.
But
like,
it's impossible.
Impossible. I'm unstoppable.
Dito ka.
And then,
Dito.
Teacher Charmaine texted me.
what did she say?
She said, did Athena paid her tuition or like belong to school? Then I told her, we already asked permission from principal. And then she said, oh yeah, sorry. Mommy, I forgot.
Mommy, I forgot.